students, my name is Nitesh Nagarasheth. I am from Mannavara. So last class we are discussing about a topic from 9th standard, that is surface areas and volumes. In surface areas and volumes we already discussed about surface areas of all solids, and here we are discussing about volume of a cuboid. So that part is already completed. So let us move on to the next part, that is volume of a cube. Volume of a cube. Yes, already we know about the cube and cuboid, so some similarity we have. So that is, in cuboid we have L, B and H means. So here in case of cube, so when the cuboid, when the length, breadth and height of the cuboid becomes equal, so then the cuboid is converted into cube. Just observe, it is also looking like cuboid also. That is, here also we have the length, and here also we have the breadth, and here also we have the height. So when the length, breadth and height of the cuboid is same, that means becomes equal, so then we can take the cuboid as a cube. That is, cuboid is converted into cube here. That is, when L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to A. That is, so here all the sides of a faces of a cube, it is same, so that's why we are taking that one as the edge of a cube. That is, all the edge it is same. That is, here just observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 edges are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 edges are there, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 edges are there. That is, so here 4 and here 4, totally 12 edges are there. The 12 edges are having the same measurement. That means in case of cuboid also we have the 12 edges. So there we are differentiating the all the edges into some of the length and some are the breadth and some are the height. So when length and breadth and height of the cuboid is same, when it becomes equal, then cuboid is converted into cube. So that means with the help of the same formula, volume of the cuboid, so we can find out the volume of the cube. That is, so length is equal to breadth and U is equal to H is equal to A, then we take that one, the volume of the cuboid is converted into volume of the cube. So in cuboid, when the length, breadth and height becomes equal, then cuboid is converted into cube, and whatever the length, breadth and height, so we have that one is converted into edges. That is, so length, breadth and height, all we can take it as a edge. That is, all having the same measurement. Then length, breadth and height is converted into edges. All edges, that is edges. Edges means all the edges it is same. That is, so let's take the volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is equal to, first I will take the length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Each way you can take it as an edge. That is, edge into edge. So let's take edge is equal to A. Therefore, let us take edge is equal to A. Then what happens? The volume of the cube is equal to A into A is equal to A cube. That is A cube. Then we have to take it as cubical units. A cube, cubic units. That is, if it is meter, we can take meter cube. If it is centimeter, we can have to take centimeter cube. If it is millimeter, we have to take the millimeter cube like that. That is, this is the volume of a cube. When the length, breadth and height of the cuboid becomes equal, then the cuboid is converted into cube. From that one, we got the formula to find the volume of a cube here. So let us take some of the problems based on volume of a cube. Yes, let us take the first problem of this video here. So here we have our arrangement like this. Just observe. So a child is playing with building blocks. That is building blocks from blocks. So this child is playing, and which are the shape of the cubes? Each block is a shape of a cube. And as shown in figure, if the edge of the cube is 3 centimeter, edge of the cube is given. So all the cube having a same edge, having an edge of 3 centimeter, and find the volume of the structure built by a child. That is, here just observe. Firstly, we have to consider each of the block we have to consider, and we have to find the volume first. Then we have to count the number of blocks are here, how many number of blocks are there. So then we have to multiply with the volume of the each block, then we can get the volume of the total structure. So firstly we have to write the given things. That is, what is the given thing here? Given it is edge it is given, edge is equal to 3 centimeter it is given. So using this one we can find out the volume of the each block. That is, volume of the each block is equal to volume of the each cubical block is equal to a cube. Already we know that a cube. So it is a, edge means it is a here. So a cube we have. So here 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to, we can write 3 into 3 into 3. So already we know that it is 27. But sometimes what happens is, sometimes leaving this as it is very easy to us to find out that, because it is multiple. That's why sometimes we can cancel out, and sometimes we can simplify the things. It is also possible. So for that one it is easy to us. So this one is it is in form of centimeter. That's why we can write in the form of centimeter cube. That is, its cubical unit we have to take. And then we have to find out the number of blocks. So here already we got the volume of the each block, then the number of blocks. So from the number of blocks we have the complete volume of this structure. So that's why we have to count the number of blocks here. So here is total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in the bottom part 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are totally 15 number of blocks are there. So we have to multiply 15 with this volume of each block, then we can find out the volume of the total structure. So what are the number of blocks are there here? So number of blocks is equal to 15. Then volume of the structure. Volume of the structure is equal to, so 15 into volume of the each block. It is 15 into volume of each block. Yes. So here 15 into volume of each block is 3 into 3 into 3. Let's take 3 into 3 into 3. So we just observe it is difficult to multiply here. So I will write 15 into 3 into 5. 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here we just observe 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. It is 3 raised to 4 into 5. 3 raised to 4 into 5. Already we know that 3 raised to 4 is 81. 81 into 5. Here just observe, we can easily multiply the things. 81 into 5 means 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 8, 4405 centimeter cube of the volume. That is, complete volume of the structure is 405 centimeter cube. That is, volume of the structure it is 405 centimeter cube. Finally we have to write the volume of the structure is 405 centimeter cube. So this is a simple problem it is. Firstly we have to find out the volume of each block, then we have to count the number of blocks, then we have to multiply, so we can get the volume of the total structure. So here just observe, sometimes leaving as it is better to us. Here just observe, we can easily find out the solution. So let's take some of the homework. Take on homework here. So here we have a solid cube of side 12 cm. Side edge means it is same here. So side means as one of the faces. So we have a square of side 12 cm. And other also we have the same thing. That is 12 cm. It's nothing but edge. So it is cut into 8 cubes of equal volumes. That is, here we splitted this complete solid cube into 8 parts having equal volume. What will be the side of a new cube? So here, firstly what we have to do is we have to find out the complete volume of the cube, and here we cut into 8 equal volumes means, so we can divide this into 8, whatever the volume we got with the solid cube for the solid cube, so having the edge of 12 cm. So then we have the volume of the new cube, then we can find out. Then what will be the side of a new cube, we have to find out. That means, so sometimes whatever the problem we have, so it is in the form of cubical units. So in that time, so we have to transpose the things. That is, before that we have the volume of the solid cube. Volume of the solid cube is equal to, using the edge we can find out the volume of the solid cube. But here it is splits into 8 equal volumes means whatever the volume we have initially, the same is for the total 8 volumes, so total 8 cubes. So that one is same. But the thing is, it splits into 8 equal parts. But the total volume remains as it is. So using that one, using the original volume, so we can find out the side of the each cube, each new cube we can find out. And then when we found out here we have the solid cube, that is edge. So in the solid cube, for the solid cube, the edge is given 12 cm, and the new cube where we are finding, that is the volume of the cube also, new cube also we are finding, and then we got the side of a new cube also we can find out. And using these two sides, that is side of a solid cube and side of a new cube, so we have to find out the surface areas of each cube, then we have to divide. So firstly we have to take the volume of the solid cube divided by volume of the new cube. Volume of the solid cube divided by volume of the new cube. Already you know that sometimes, so keeping the solution as it is, that is 2 into 2 into 2, 4 into 4 into 4, 5 into 5 into 5, so 12 into 12 into 12. So likewise it is sometimes easy to us to solve the problem in an easier way. So that's why using those things, so find out the ratios and find out the side of a new cube. See here. So if you have any doubt, so you can call or you can message through WhatsApp. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button. Thank you one and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.